Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Microsoft Outlook show my replies. Alright, first of all, you want to ensure you have a Microsoft Outlook account to achieve that. And to have that account, what you want to do is head over here, click on create a free account. Alright, that is having navigated through your Google Chrome or any browser of your choice where you've already typed in Microsoft Outlook, and it will navigate to this page. Now on this page, you want to create a free account if you do not already have an account. So when I click on that, it will take me to the page where I have to create a free account if I do not already have one. Or you can simply click on sign in and it will take you to the page where you can get signed in by typing in your email address, passwords, phone numbers, and all the other necessary information it will require of you to get properly signed in. Now you want to also explore the different variety of plans that Microsoft Outlook offers, including the free plan, the basic Microsoft 365 plan. And as you can see, the prices are attached. You want to either go for the personal plan or the family plan. When you've gone through all of these information, you can pick the particular plan you want to go for. And when you're done, get yourself logged in and it will take you to the home page that looks like this. Now to show you how to make Outlook show your replies, head over to the setting option, which is at the top right corner over here that looks like a gear icon. Click on it, it will take you to this page. And on this page, what you want to do is make Outlook show your reply. So you want to change the setting on your Outlook. Alright, head over to message handling, which is over here. This is where all the magic happens. When you click on that, just head over to the options that shows show as conversation checkbox. Now click on that option and then change that so that your receipts will be read and all your informations or conversations that you have via your email would properly show that you're active to respond. So this is how you can simply enable Microsoft Outlook to show your replies on your email or whatever information you're sending out to your recipient, your team, or for whatever purpose. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make Outlook show your replies. Until next time, bye for now.